Dear students, good morning. Today, let us see a grammar item which is very useful in our daily life and for our examination purpose also. Um, this thing regarding adjectives and verbs, the difference Verbs are also verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. Means just like write, wrote, written, V1, V2, V3. And in the same way, adjectives also. Adjective means, which qualifies a noun. These adjectives also are also three types. Positive one, comparative one, and superlative one. Right from the beginning of the 6th class, in the 6th class textbook also some exercises have been given. You did them. You have got some idea. Now again, I will remind you those things, how to change the degree of one adjective into another one without changing its sense. Adjectives means I told you, you also know very well, since you are the something advanced you have learned something in advance to the high school students and junior college students. Tall means tall, it is an adjective. It qualifies what is tall. Tall means a tall boy, tall tree, tall tower, such type. It is a positive one. Taller, that is a comparative one. And the tallest, that is the superlative one. The same bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest. These are said to be adjectives. This topic, changing into one degree to another degree, you should know well about the change of adjectives. Let us see, today I will tell you certain certain things that can make you remember for a long time how to change one degree to another one. Before that, I need to remind you how to change these degrees. See, if a thing or a place, if that is one, that can't be changed into other degrees. ఒక వ్యక్తి గురించి, ఒక స్థలం గురించి మనము ఒకే ఒక వస్తువు గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు మనము దాన్ని ఇతర డిగ్రీలోనికి మార్చడానికి it is not possible. If you say Raju is a tall boy, take for example. This is here the adjective, it says about a single person. It says about Raju. No other person is there. No other thing is there. Another sentence I will tell you. You observe carefully. Raju is taller than Gopi. If in this sentence comparison is between two persons or two boys, and this sentence, this will be changed into positive to comparative to positive. No superlative degree will be there for this sentence. What do you understand? If comparison is between two things or two persons or two places, that can't be changed into సూపర్లేటివ్ డిగ్రీ. ఇద్దరు వ్యక్తులు, ఇద్దరు స్థలాలు, రెండు ప్రదేశాల మధ్య మనము పోలిక చెప్పేటప్పుడు అది సూపర్లేటివ్ డిగ్రీలోనికి వి కాంట్ చేంజ్. అండ్ అట్ ది సేమ్ టైమ్ the sentence, you see, the comparison between more than two persons, two things, two places, then that can be changed into positive to comparative to superlative. Here I will show you an example. In the first sentence, we saw Raju is a tall boy. Here, this tall, this adjective, it is speaking of Raju only. Here there is no comparison between any other thing. In the second sentence, Raju is taller than Gopi we saw. Here, comparison is between Raju and Gopi. Here, comparison is between two persons. And if we say Raju is the tallest of all the boys in the class, if you see the sentence, here comparison is made between Raju and all other boys. That means here comparison is between more than two persons or two boys. Have you understood me or not? Three types of degrees you have already learned. You changed some sentences. Once again I am reminding you, most of you might have known these rules very well, but one or two sentences finding out errors in the sentences, one question might come. That's why you should know these rules well. Raju is the tallest. Here comparison between Raju and so many other boys. So this sentence can be changed into positive to comparative to superlative. Now I will give you some clues to change one sentence into another one. You remember them carefully. Accordingly, you can change them very easily. You see, comparison is made between two things, two persons, two places. Then that sentence will be changed for positive sentence. See, Raju is taller than Gopi, the second sentence. Here, Gopi is not as tall as Raju. This can't be changed into superlative degree. And at the same time, Raju is the tallest boy of all the students in the class. In that particular class, no other boy is as tall as Raju. Here comparison is made between so many boys and Raju. This sentence can be changed into all the three degrees. Raju is the tallest of all the boys. No other boy is as tall as Raju. No other boy is as tall as no other. And in the no other than any other of all. These three are one group. No other than any other of all. You remember, no other than any other of all. No other boy is as tall as Raju. No other. Raju is taller than any other boy in the class. Then another. If you see no other in the positive sentence, in comparative degree, you will see than any other. And in the superlative degree, you will see of all. Raju is the tallest of all the boys. Before the superlative degree, every time you put the. Every time, before every superlative adjective, the should be there. This is another rule. Here, what I told you, you might have understood. if you speak of a one person, if you speak of a quality of a one person, one place, or one thing, then there will be no other degree, comparative or superlative. You see now let us see, if we take another example. Ambani, no other than any other of all. No other person in India is as rich as Ambani. If you take the sentence, no other. When you see no other, immediately you should remember than any other. Then no, Ambani is richer than any other person in India. And in the superlative degree, Ambani is the richest of all. In the superlative degree, you should remember of all. In the positive degree, as adjective, both sides you can see as. And in the comparative, no other than any other of all, you remember. The three are one set. And if you think Ambani is not only the richest person, so many such persons are there. If you think అంబానీ ఒక్కడే ధనవంతుడు కాదు భారతదేశంలో, ఇంకా అలాంటి వాళ్ళు చాలామంది ఉన్నారు అని నువ్వు అనుకున్నట్టయితే, వాట్ ఈస్ హియర్ నో అదర్ దెన్ ఎనదర్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. అండ్ సెకండ్ టైప్, వెరీ ఫ్యూ దాన్ మోస్ట్ అదర్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది. దీస్ త్రీ ఆర్ one set. Very few than most other one of them. Very few, here you see, very few persons are as rich as Ambani. Here that means some other persons are also there as rich as Ambani. Not only this Ambani, and some other persons are also, some other rich persons are also there. No, in the first sentence, no other we used in the positive degree. In the second set, you see, very few than most other, very few than most other, one of the. These three are one set. You remember this set, both the sets. Very few than most other, one of the. Very few persons are as rich as Ambani. When you see very few in the positive degree, immediately you should remember than most other. Ambani is richer than most other persons in India. Rich becomes richer, and very few, when you see very few in the positive degree, you have to write than most other in the comparative degree. And very few than most other. And in the superlative degree, you remember very few than most other, one of the. You should remember this set. Ambani is one of the richest persons in India. Ambani is the richest person. Ambani is one of the richest persons in India. These are the two sets. When the comparison is between more than two persons, one set is no other than any other of all. The other set is very few than most other, one of them. Let us see another example regarding places. Let us see Kolkata. Kolkata is the Kolkata is a big city. No other degrees. It can't be changed into other degrees. Kolkata is bigger than Hyderabad. Then it can be changed into positive to comparative to positive. Kolkata is the biggest of all cities in India. Then comparison between Kolkata and so many other places. Here also, if you feel no other city is as big as Kolkata, then comparison is made between Kolkata and other places in India. Kolkata Kolkata is no other place. If you feel no other place, that is the biggest. According to your opinion, Kolkata is the great. Kolkata is the biggest one, according to your opinion, greatest one. Kolkata, no other place is as great as Kolkata. No other place is as great as Kolkata. When you see no other, immediately then any other you should remember. Kolkata, no other, very few place, no other than any other. Kolkata is bigger than any other place. No other than any other. Kolkata is bigger than any other places in India. Then in the superlative of all, Kolkata is the biggest. Kolkata is the biggest of all places in India. And that is not your opinion. If your opinion is Kolkata is a big city of Kolkata big city అని ఒప్పుకున్నావు, కానీ some other places are also big places. Some other big places are also there in India. If that is your idea, నీ అభిప్రాయం అది చెప్పదలుచుకుంటే, very few cities in India are as big as Kolkata. Very few places are as big as Kolkata. When you see very few means some other places are also there. Very few. When you hear or when you see very few, then you should immediately remember than most other. Very few than most other. Kolkata is big becomes bigger in a comparative degree. Kolkata is bigger than most other cities in India. When you see big than any other in comparative degree, in the superlative degree, very few than most other, one of the. Kolkata is one of the biggest cities. Big becomes biggest in superlative degree. That's why you remember only this. If you remember these two things, you can easily change. One set is very few than most other, one of the. Another set is very few than most other, one of the. Another set is no other than any other of all. This comparison may be made between two persons. We saw one sentence, Raju and persons, and Kolkata, two places. And at the same time, in the case of things also. In the case of things also, we can compare in the same way. What we can say in the place in the case of things, let us see. No other thing is as sweet as jaggery. Here, when we see no other in the comparative degree than any other, jaggery is sweeter than any other things. Sweet became sweeter. No other than any other. And in the superlative degree, you have to write of all. You need to see of all. Jaggery is the sweetest of all the things. If you think not only jaggery, so many other sweet things are there. Jaggery ఒక్కటే తీనైంది కాదు, ఇంకా చాలా తీనైన ఉన్నాయి నువ్వు అనుకుంటే, very few things are as sweet as jaggery. బెల్లం అంతా మధురమైనవి చాలా తక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. Very few things are as sweet as jaggery. Then when you see very few in the positive degree than most other, jaggery is sweeter than most other things. When you see most other in the comparative degree, you will see Very few, then most other. Very few, then most other of all. Jaggery is the sweetest of all the things. Sweet becomes sweetest. Uh, these things you should remember. Only two sets are there. If you see very few in compare positive degree, you will see then most other. Very few, then most other, one of the. Very few, then most other, one of the. This is one set. And no other than any other of all. That is another set. You remember and change the adjectives, the degrees accordingly. You remember these rules and change the sentences accordingly. Very easiest one, if you remember those two things, you can easily change one degree of sentence into another degree. Okay, thank you.